Hey everybody, I'm sure you know who I am, but in case you don't, I'm Andrew Muller, the President and CEO of Mappus Insurance Agency. So the purpose of this quick video is to give you an update on all the new things at the agency, and then a quick update on the insurance market in general. But before I start, I just want to say thank you so much for choosing to do business with our agency. We 100% understand that you have options with who to work with, and we are grateful that you chose us. So onto the agency. Well, we have a lot of exciting news around here, and where to start? I guess let's start with Savannah James. Y'all probably know Savannah. She's one of our agents here, and her husband Jonathan had their first baby this year, a beautiful little girl named Caroline. Likewise, if you work with my business partner David Watson, he and his wife Caitlin had their third little girl, Anderson. And many of y'all know by now that I also got married earlier this year. So in terms of the agency itself, we are continuing to grow our client base, and we are proud to say that we now write business in 49 of 50 states. So please let us know how else we can serve you. And not only is our client base growing, but so is our team. So you will receive a more formal announcement soon, but just a little sneak peek. I would like to introduce you informally to Brooks, Emily, and Sabrina. And speaking of Sabrina, she will be managing our newly formed private client group for our high net worth families that we insure across the country. So we are super excited to have them on the team. So if you happen to speak with one of them, be sure to welcome them to Mappus. So we did also set up a new phone system. So if you've gotten dropped on a phone call, our apologies. If you get dropped, our apologies. We are learning very quickly how to use the new system. But we're also implementing a lot of other technology, and we have in 2021 as well. So one other really cool thing is that we implemented this widget, this flood quoting widget on our website, where you can actually quote, issue, and pay for a new flood insurance policy right directly from our website. So as far as the insurance market goes, well, as a whole, where do I start? There's some really good and some really bad. The good is that there are more options than ever when it comes to home, flood, auto, and commercial property insurance. Now, the bad is that rates are going up across the board. So while we have many options in the market, it is just tough these days to find a good deal or a decrease in premium. Many times, a 10 to 15% increase is going to be the best. And just know that we are working extremely hard in the background, remarketing your account, and making sure that we have the best overall insurance program in place for you or your business. So many people ask why. Why are rates going up, especially if I had no losses? So think of it like a pool. We are all pooled together, and as a pool, they're graded on their performance. So if the performance is good, rates tend to stay flat or maybe go down. But if the performance is bad, rates obviously go up, and many insurance companies are experiencing higher than normal losses. And secondly, reinsurance. So reinsurance is insurance for insurance companies. And reinsurance rates are skyrocketing due to catastrophes all over the world. And reinsurance companies can only withstand so many large events, so at some point they have to pass the costs along to the insurance companies, which then gets transferred down to the policyholders. So the reinsurance market tends to readjust about every 10 to 15 years. Right now we're on the uptick, so we're in what's called a hard market. If rates were going down, it would be a soft market. We'll be in a hard market probably for the next couple years until rates flatten out. So lastly, I would like to talk about something that's so very near and dear to our hearts, but very, very exciting. Earlier this year, we had the opportunity to have a company invest into Mappus. And this company is called Summit Risk Advisors. They are a national leader in the insurance and fintech space. So there's more to come about this relationship, but here are a few reasons why we decided to create this partnership. Number one, carrier access. Summit will give us more best-in-class insurance companies to work with that allow us to provide more competitive options and rates and more stability when it comes to you, our client. And human capital. Summit will help provide capital and resources to grow our team and provide them with more opportunities to grow in their careers as well. And in addition, Summit trusts us, they believe in us, they value us, and they are giving us full autonomy, control, and independence to make all the decisions locally, just like we have for over 60 years. So I just want to be very clear that I'm still the president and CEO of Mappus. Griffin and David are still my business partners, and all of our great team members are still here with us, and we're continuing to grow each and every day. So lastly, with growth and technology, Summit is a leader in the insurance technology space, and they want to help us accelerate our growth across the Southeast and, quite honestly, the country, and to help implement world-class technologies to make the client experience more enjoyable for y'all. So we are very excited, we're energized, and we're very optimistic to welcome Summit into the Mappus family, and we are proud and honored to be under the Summit umbrella as well. And we cannot wait to share and demonstrate with y'all all the new capabilities and how Summit will positively impact and Mappus will positively impact your family and your business. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart, our staff's hearts, and all of our families for your continued business and loyalty to Mappus. And some of you have been clients since 1960. So we are very excited about this next chapter of Mappus, and the best is yet to come. Thank you all so much.